Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show your live YouTube subscriber count in OBS. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is log into our YouTube studio. So open up a web browser and now go to your YouTube dashboard. And now once you're inside your YouTube studio, click onto analytics, and then on the right hand side it's going to say subscribers. Go ahead and click on see live count. From here you want to go ahead and copy this URL, so Control C to copy, and now escape out of there. Now come back to your OBS studio, and then under sources I'm going to right click and add, and then we're going to add one from a browser. We can give this a name, so I'm going to call this live YouTube count, and then click OK. Then from here where it says URL, paste in that URL, and then the width, you want this to be 1920 by 1080, and then from here click onto OK. And then from here it's going to ask you to sign in, so go ahead to sign in. It's going to say sign in here, so we want to go right click the live YouTube count or whatever you called it, and then click onto interact, and then inside of here we can expand this. And then because I've already done this just previously, I've already signed in, it will say put in your email address, your password, then click sign in. And then once you've signed in, go ahead and click on the little cross. Then from here we can make this smaller. So what we need to click onto on our keyboard is hold the left alt down and then drag this up to make it as big as small as you like. So I'm just going to adjust this just only to see the live count, like so. And now if I go ahead and make OBS smaller, if I can place this anywhere inside of my screen, and that's it, how to show YouTube live subscriber count in OBS.